I've made lots and lots of videos of this ride down through here. I probably got 20 or 30 of them in just this one ride.
Yeah.
It's a pretty ride. All right, we'll just take her easy down through here. This is an old farm right here.
Yeah.
And it's certainly getting disrepair. And this is my new buddy, John, here. So, I got my microphone inside my helmet here, over my earpiece.
I'm from New York.
New York, John. All right. So my buddy John is from, new buddy John, called VW John, online. He's from New York, and he come down here, and he's trying to learn to ride that Honda Monkey 125 he's got there. And so we're taking it nice and slow and easy for him here today. And, of course, at my age, I take everything nice and slow and easy. So we're just putting along here, getting him used to riding a few little different things. Trying to show him a little bit about riding. But he come all the way down here to get out and ride with me. What about that? Makes me almost feel important about it. Almost. It's nice to ride this speed. It really is. You get to look around at things. Pretty country up here. So I rode the Suzuki Bergman today instead of Charlie Chan, the Chinese 150 scooter, because I got a windshield on this, and it is chilly riding out here today. Must be about 45 or 50 degrees or something like that, but you get going down the road 50, 60 miles an hour, that's pretty damn chilly, even with the windshield. I wished I'd have wore some heavier gloves, but I didn't, so I'll just have to live with what I did. Wow, springtime's beautiful out here. All the green leaves and stuff are coming out. All the birds have got their earmuffs on today and mufflers wrapped around them because it's cold out here today. They have snow up north today. This is May the 19th, I think it is. It might be the 20th, or April the 19th. Now this trail off to the left here goes back about 11 or 12 miles back up in the mountains. Across the mountain, you go across 3 or 4 big mountains back there. I'm not going to try to take us back there because I might make it on that, but I'd never make it on this. Okay, and I've got several videos of me back there on dirt bikes and stuff, but there's at least one mountain to go up back there that because it's so rough going up, because of the Jeeps and stuff going up, and I'd never get up on the scooter here. And if I got up there, I wouldn't want to come down. This is one entrance. There's another entrance on down here. We'll go on down here another mile or 2 or 3. And
Okay, good.
you enjoying this?
Yes, very much.
All righty. Now this little trail here goes up another mountain down here, and it's about 2 or 3 miles up there or something like that. It's not bad. I'm not going to take you up there because it's a little too rough for you, but I'll tell you a story about this place right here. I was on a dirt bike. I don't even remember which one now. And I come down off that mountain, and I pulled out here and started to go that way. And I hadn't got more than 30 or 40 feet up there. And I was more or less kind of in the center of the lane, you know. And there must have been 18 or 20 bicycles racing down through here. And I was right in the middle of the road, and they was going around me on both sides. And I mean, they was running 40, probably 40 mile an hour. They was pedaling as hard as they could downhill, you know. And I don't know about them, but I just about had to go change my underwear. You know? I mean, I pulled out as the last thing on this earth I thought about, you know, coming down my way. And I was looking down, and I looked up, and wow, 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 wow.
Yeah, those guys are incredible.
Oh, yeah. Well, I wouldn't want to go down this thing 40 or 50 mile an hour on a bicycle, let me tell you. But,
They don't even have jeans on.
I know. Unbelievable. Anyway, there's probably no need for us to go on down. We'll go on back this way, and we'll go across the bridge and go riding some over there.
Okay.
You ever been over to Tilly's church? To the
I haven't been anywhere.
I'm going to take you to where there's a witch buried.
Oh, okay.
Tilly's Bend Church.
Okay.
All right. We're going to go back that way. I just wanted you to see that even on a motor scooter, you can go 30 mile an hour up through here.
Yeah.
You know.
You want to go fast?
No, I was just trying to show you. You know, you're too timid. Is what's wrong.
Yeah, I'm too new.
Yeah. Did you ever ride before?
Never.
Oh, okay. Well, I
I
can.
have ridden 69 miles.
You should have got you one of them 200 horsepower crotch rockets to start on.
Well, I rode horses when I was a kid, when I was younger.
Two idiots sitting out in the middle of the road talking. All righty. There we go. Well, it's a beautiful spring day, if it is cold. It is so gorgeous out here. It's just unbelievable. All the bright green leaves and stuff coming out on the trees. Wonderful day for a ride. It's just at least a little bit on the cool side at 45, 50 degrees. But when you're going slow, I guess that really don't make all that much difference. You're going to ride that up on there, aren't you? I want to see that.
Okay, well, yeah, this could be a show.
Well, I got the camera on.
You always wonder, how do these things end up on YouTube when people do these incredibly stupid things?
Yeah.
That's how it happens.
Yeah, y'all hold my beer and watch this.
Actually, here, let's do this. Better stand clear, Bob. This could hurt you.
I've been hurt before.
That brake clutch thing. Almost. Almost a little more.
There you go.
There we go. All right.
I got it. You
Got
go.
it?
I got it.
Thank you, sir.
I've loaded and unloaded many a motorcycle.
Bob, you don't believe what I did. I forgot to put the straps on. Can you hold it for a minute?
Uh-huh.
You sure? You want to come to this side?
I got it. I got it. Yeah.
I always do that. Get the strap. Yeah, I'd imagine in your day, you must have loaded a lot of bikes.
Oh, practically everything I've ever owned, including 4 gold wings.
Oh my God. Onto what? What did you put the gold wings on?
Trailers.
Trailer, right?
Trailers are the back of my truck. Now, I know you probably know this, but you know you don't ever want to leave your key in here.
Yes.
Never, ever, ever. This thing will flop around and your key will go. Don't ask me how I know.
How many bikes have you owned, do you think,
Oh, it's over
in your
100.
life?
Well over 100. You got to realize I've been riding for 70 years.
I know.
71, actually. I'll see something, and I think, oh God, I just got to have that, you know. And boy, if I had that, I could do this, I could do that, you know.
Yeah. All right, I'll take it.
You make excuses for yourself, you know.
Yeah.
You think that, you know, I've got one of these cycle racks like this at home, still in the box.
Get it.
I have not put it together yet.
Is it the Harbor Freight one?
No, Lord, no. Theirs looks too cheap to me. I looked at it at the store and I didn't like the looks of it.
Yeah, I didn't like it either. And you want to crank that one? I'm
Come
trying
crank
to get
it.
the Harbor Freight one, and I thought the same thing. I'm like, this thing looks like garbage.
Yeah.
This is the one from something trailer. That online trailer place.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. I mean, it was $200.
I think I gave like
one,
160.
exactly, and I was like, not that much of a difference.
Yeah. I believe mine's steel instead of aluminum. But
Yeah. I think we're good there. I'll just do the back and then we're ready to go. Yeah, so I figured for the $60. I was gonna trailer the thing down, but you know, they charge a lot of money for tolls.
Oh yeah.
And I said to myself, and I have to rent the trailer. And I was like, well, by the time I pay for the rental and the tolls, I could buy this.
I've got the world's best motorcycle trailer at home.
Yeah?
I really do. I bought this from a friend a few years ago, and all the years I've ever pulled trailers and stuff, I've never had a trailer as good as this one is.
Really?
Never. It's got independent suspension on it from both sides.
So it stops from the bouncing, so it doesn't bounce
Right.
side to side.
And
yeah.
the back of it sits about this high off the ground, and it has a shelf that you can pull out there, a plate, so you could ride a Harley on and off this thing.
Nice.
It's got a box on the front of it, and it's a goodie.
Well, you know, being able to ride up onto it is the key.
Oh yeah. So I'm so worried somebody will steal my trailer instead of my bike.
You have one of those locking
Oh, I've got a lock on it that you'd have to have a torch to get it off.
Okay. Yeah.
But I used to go to Daytona every year. And literally hundreds of bikes and trailers get stolen there every year, you know. Yeah. And so I'm paranoid about my trailer. I mean, if I lost the bike, that's one thing. I lost the trailer, how in the hell am I going to get the bike home, you know?
Bob, thank you so much.
All righty.
That was great.
Well, next time you come down, I'll probably say, hey, John, slow down a little bit. Slow down, you're going too fast. Right?
Thank you, Bob.
All righty.